Are you guys worried because all you see is a big fat zero on your balance account? You need additional cash to be able to feed your family, feed yourself, pay the bills, and even enjoy yourself every now and then. But nothing you try seems to be working and you don't know where to start. Do you guys have the same feeling? Because if you do, in today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can make your first $100, $200, and even $500. And even if you've never made a single penny online before, this is going to work. This method is proven and it works with no effort at all. And it's already being done by a lot of people. Nothing gets as easy as this one. If you guys want to get into it, then check out. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys about Fiverr affiliates. Now, I know that a lot of you have already heard about Fiverr, what the website Fiverr is. No, we are not going to be freelancers. We're not going to be selling any of our services on Fiverr. But instead, we are going to be doing something so unique and that I'm pretty sure you've never heard anyone talk about yet. And this is how to become a Fiverr affiliate. Which means you're not going to have to provide any of the services. You're not going to have to sell anything to anyone. So, for example, we're going to be super clever and we are actually going to earn a daily commission on this platform. And you're going to promote Fiverr and get people to join up for different services and then make a huge commission. You're not going to need any experience. You're not going to sell anything. And you're still going to earn daily commissions by just promoting the Fiverr platform. It's as easy as that. Don't worry, it's going to be super easy for everyone, even for beginners. And at the end of today's video, I'm going to be dropping a huge bonus tip on you guys. So, you're probably asking, how much money can you actually make on this website from this strategy? Well, let's look at the commission plan, see how much money you can actually make. So, you may see Fiverr commission plans here, and there are two types of commission plans, Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. So I'm going to go over this technique in detail, okay? So first we're going to look at the Fiverr CPA commission, which ranges from $20 to $200. But how do we know whether we're going to be making $20 or $200? Because it depends on the category and the services that you promote. So they're going to list all of the services. For example, if you want to earn the $200 in commission from just one payment, you're going to have to promote the Fiverr Pro Services. I'm going to show you some examples of Fiverr Pro Services that you can promote to others. For example, some of the pro local design services on Fiverr, I have $500, $800, $3,000 over here, $300. So pro services on Fiverr are basically more pricey. So hundreds or even thousands of dollars, which is why they're going to pay you a lot of commission. So like over $150 whenever you're able to refer a sale. Now the best part is that you can unlimitedly make $150 whether your customers buy $100 services or $1,000 services. And I'm going to teach you a few tactics on how you can carefully target individuals and sell and refer them to these Fiverr Pro services where you can earn $200 over and over again. So let's say you want to earn $100 by referring other individuals to the whiteboard and animated explainers. So when you click on the link, okay, you're going to get a list of all of the services they can promote to others, and then you're going to earn a flat commission of $100. For example, if you refer someone to this service and then they're going to buy it for $20, you're going to get $100. It doesn't matter what the services they purchase are. Even if they only purchase a $10 service, you are going to make $100, which I think is absolutely insane, and it's an excellent commission plan.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit the notification bell because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then.
So these are all the different categories that you can actually promote and earn a commission of $100. So they're going to show you a ton of different categories like web design, mobile design, and e-commerce development. And in this category, you're going to earn a $50 commission, and you can actually refer them to logo maker, web programming, website content, proofreading, and so on. And these are all for $40, $50 commission. So this is where you can earn $40 in commission. From there, you can also earn $35 in commission, and you can refer them all to all of these categories and earn $35. Then you can earn $20 for the rest of the categories. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the shortcut, which is the smartest way and the most easiest way, the wisest way to earn money on the Fiverr affiliate program, which is targeting a $200 commission over and over again. And if you just refer one person to this service and they're gonna pay $150, you can earn $200 daily or even $6,000 a month. So it's a lot better this way to make money on Fiverr than compared to a freelancer's, because if you're just going to refer one person to the service, you're going to earn $150. I mean, you're going to need a lot of skill. Okay, you're going to have to wait for people to buy your service. You're going to have to spend a lot of time. You're going to have to be patient. But obviously, we're not going to do that. Okay, we're going to earn commission from the Fiverr affiliate program because you're not going to be a freelancer. Like I said, it's so much better. So that's the first method of earning commission. The second method is Fiverr Hybrid. And instead of paying a large commission one time, they're going to give you $15 no matter what service you promote. And then they're going to split 10% of the revenue with you for the next 12 months. For example, if you suggest this to someone, this service, and they're going to pay $400 for it, you're going to get paid $10, but you're also going to be able to enjoy $15 for all of the money that they spend for the rest of the year. So even though you can only earn $15 today, tomorrow, next week, next month, or even the following months, whatever money they spend on Fiverr, let's say they buy this service, and then you're going to go on to buy other pro services, for example, $1,000 packages run on Fiverr, you're still going to earn 10% commission for all of they spend. So I like the Fiverr CPA method where I can receive the one-time commission immediately, because that way I can get paid right away, and I can also focus on the Fiverr Pro Services where I can make $200 unlimitedly. That's basically how the commission plan works and how much money you can make from it. So if you want to join their Fiverr affiliate program, you're going to click on the Join Now button on top. You're going to sign up for the Fiverr affiliate program. You're going to choose private as a personal account type. You're going to enter in your first name, your last name, and your email address. And as for your username, you're going to enter your username, your password. You're going to see that under the country section, you're going to choose the country that you're from, and they have people from all over the world. Then you can set your language, your phone number. You can have also a Skype number. It's optional. And then you're going to click on the next button to sign up. It's super easy. I'm going to show you 3 methods to actually increase traffic, 3 ways to get more referrals to the Fiverr Pro Services. So right there, we're going to look at the Fiverr Pro Services. These are all examples of services that you can actually recommend and make $200 in commission over and over again. And from my personal experience, I do believe that it is much easier for you to just focus on this area, graphics and design, since it is a lot easier to refer a sale in this category. And there is just so much more demand out there, and I'm going to show you 3 different ways to be able to achieve that. When you go to the graphic and design category, for example, if you want to refer people to logo design, you're going to click on this category. It's going to take you to this page where you're going to see all of the different packages, $800, $700, $500, all these different packages, and you're going to earn the same amount of commission whether you sell an expensive or a cheap package. And it's far better for us to just refer them to a lot of the cheaper packages, such as this one that's $300, and it says I'll design a catchy logo for your company, which you're gonna see by clicking on this link right here. So you're gonna see that this seller provides a level 1 service. A lot of people enjoy that. That's where you can refer your customers to and earn $200 in commission if they purchase the basic package for $350. Now, the easiest way to get a lot of referrals to this service is to actually go onto reddit.com. Now, Reddit functions the same way to a free forum where you can join and then find a large number of individuals just asking questions. So you can use the Reddit search bar to look for a specific topic. For example, this one here that says where to buy a logo, you can search for this phrase and check if other people are asking this question on the Reddit forum. So you'll take a look at this. It's the same method. So remember this one. There's a challenge to purchase a logo. Does anybody know how and where to get it? There's the buyer right there. He's asking others immediately where he can get a logo. And then this is where you're going to step in and then you're going to reply. You're going to show the link. You're going to send them to Fiverr Services. They're going to sell the services for them. So all you have to do is enter a very easy answer. Repeat the procedure. If only one person buys one service, you're still going to make $200 for that day, for example. So you have so many more examples here. Basically, anyone asking about, looking for help in a specific service, you're going to reply to them with your link explaining this, and then they're going to click on that link, they're going to purchase, and you're going to make money, and that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.